welcome back to another video. So this is something I should have done a long time ago because I don't like how the headlight setup looks at night with those ugly orange turn signal bulbs that sit on whenever you turn the headlights on. So I bought these LED switchbacks right here to change that look up, make it look a lot better right here. So instead of having those orange turn signals on, it will actually be a white LED, and then whenever I'm ready to turn my turn signals on or my hazards on, they'll switch to amber or orange or whatever color it is. It'll switch to that instead of it just sitting on orange all the time. So let's just go ahead and get right into this. And I got the hood spacers on there. I did a little short video on that installing these, so make sure y'all go check that out right there. Yeah, I still do got them on. They kind of like grew on me, so haven't taken them off yet. I guess when I do get tired of them, I will take them off. Before I get started, I want to show y'all what the stock version look like, and then I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like, of course, with the bulb in it. But yeah, let me go ahead and do this right quick. All right, so this is what it looks like. This is what you would see at night. You would see the headlight, and then you would see this right here. I don't even know what you would call this. Like, would this be like floodlight? Is this part of the running light? What, I don't even know what it is. It kind of works as like a side marker light, I guess. So now this is what it looks like with the parking lights on. You have the turn signal bulb on right there, and then you have the LED strip on. Once I change that, like I said, this is going to be the LED, and it's going to give it a much more cleaner look rather than this orange light just sitting right there. I don't really like that. All right, so here are the lights right here. As you can see, you got the LED right here, the resistor connection right there. If you do decide to actually order these, make sure they are the 3157 Type 2 series, because this is actually the third box I had to order. The first time I ordered was the 1157s right here. Then I actually ended up ordering the 7443s, and now I'm with the 3157. When I actually looked up the part number for the V6 front turn signal, it told me 1157, and it also told me 7443. Never even mentioned anything about the 3157. So just make sure if you do plan on getting these, it's 3157. I gotta find somewhere to mount this up so it's not just hanging. I think I got some zip ties somewhere around here, so I'm gonna use those to prop them up somewhere. So I got the lights installed. I got the resistors mounted up right there. And right here on this side, as you can see right there, no more orange light. It's white now, a white LED. I'm gonna cut the headlights on next so y'all can see it, but I'm going to this side. That's it right there. So I just want to show y'all what the LED switchbacks look like. So right now, this is with the daytime running lights on, how it usually is. Now I'm gonna cut the parking lights on so y'all can see it. These are the daytime running lights right here. Those are the parking lights, and then those are the headlights right there. Here go the lights right here. Put the LEDs right up in this spot right here. I'm gonna move back so y'all can see it. Hopefully y'all can see it. Let me show y'all the LED bulb that I put in the back that I had to replace. So here it is in the back right here. Nice little view.
I don't like bitches, I don't like nobody. We get gangsta, we can keep it cool, how you wanna go, but how you I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. These bitches are crying, be lying in your face. Slip to the nuts, the longer they play. The money one straight, you want.
So I should have did this last night, but I forgot. But I want to actually show y'all how the switchbacks work. So I'm gonna show y'all how I switch from the white LED to the amber LED using the turn signal bulb that I just replaced.